Hi everyone, today we talk Rockwell FactoryTalk designed Workbench. This is very new PLC software. It's released October last year. It's designed for microcontrol system. For example, Mac 810, 820, 850, and 870. Most of the time we use CCW for microcontrol system, but CCW is separate from Studio 5000. But FactoryTalk Design Workbench give you a modern Studio 5000 logic design experience for small PLC. Let's get started. First, go to his Rockwell automation website. You can find the FactoryTalk Design Workbench software. It's download. Also, this software is free, okay? You can find here is FactoryTalk Design Workbench. Here is 1.01. The second version, first version 1.00, okay? In here, wait for download. Okay, we can download. No, we just direct download. Okay, direct download. Okay. No. So this software very small compared to the CCW. Okay. Just I download already. Then here FDW is a FactoryTalk Design Workbench. Okay. So 1.01. Now we start run administrator. Okay. Then here ask destination folder. We just keep phone. Set up. Right click. Is similar Studio 5000. Look, is FT designed workbench. Okay, install. It's simple. Is accept. That's it. Okay, we start again. Okay, new project, test. We can choose this one, Micro800, okay. And the name, what? Test 1, okay, 8. Okay, in here, global variable, program, new program, we net logic, we can use st, okay, is a function block, okay, which I use net logic, okay. Here's variable, okay, local variable, run, okay, here, similar, yeah, similar Studio 5000 is easy, okay, in here, look, you can normal open, normal close, this XIC, exam normal open, okay, go here, okay. Yes, stop. Okay, that's it. This all configuration. That's it. Okay. Later we talk about how to use this software. Thank you very much.